Hello, everyone. This is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to soar it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so you're watching this video because you want to know how to save money on a one-income household, so I can help you with that. I have over 28 years being a one-income household. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so be notified when I upload a new video. And if you already subscribed, welcome back to the Money Control TV. But also make sure that you click the link down below, get your free gift, your family financial emergency toolkit, and make sure if you're looking for how to make money online, my number one recommendation is down below as well. So keep that link as well. So let's go ahead and start. Number one, so I have my list here, you guys. So number one is you have to create a budget. And so how to save money, I began to create a budget, a monthly budget, and I only had in my budget what I truly need. And so I had took out of lots of wants, right? So I took out cable, I took out, eating out as much. So I reduced that. And so I took the other half and saved. So I really started really mastering budgeting. Number two is I did a sabbatical on no gifts, right? So I just did a financial freeze. No gifts. I told my family, at this time, I need to save money. I need to increase my savings. And so no one would get any gifts, right? No one get any gifts because I would just buy. I would see things and I would buy them. I would give them a gift for, an anniversary, their birthdays and things like that, even for Christmas. I told them, I stopped. I put a freeze to it. Number three is I only bought clothes when I need it. And so even though sales was out there, I understood that sales do come back around. And so I only bought clothes based on when I needed them. And so not because it was a sale or, I want that. No, I only bought clothes when I needed them. Number four is I took all my windfall money, right? So I took all my if my birthday came and somebody gave me some money, I moved that over to savings, for taxes, whatever amount that I got back. It wasn't a lot, but I moved that over to savings. Anything that was a windfall of money, I moved over to savings, right? Number five is that I began to do a lot of do-it-yourself projects. And so I would be on YouTube, just like we hear now, and I began to research and learn how to do things myself. And so was it repurposed clothes? Because remember, three, I wasn't out buying clothes. And so if I lost weight or if I gained weight, I knew how to alter it. If it got too big, I would put a belt on it, right? So I learned to do it yourself, repurpose my clothes. Number six is groceries. Groceries is a big expense. And you know what? I learned to eat my groceries, and I'm a good cook, right? I was just liking the fast. Like I could go through the drive-thru and I can get it like this. But when I learned was that I'm a pretty good cook, and to save money, I had to eat my groceries. So I did that. I began to eat at home, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and create a little snack as well. And number seven is I only went to places that when it was invitations that they paid for it, right? So I'm making this video today, right? Today, it is Saturday, October the 5th, 2019. And so my friend called me last night, says, hey, we need to get together. Would you like to go out to Applebee's? And I said, who's paying? And absolutely I'm paying. So I only went out when invitations were paid for. Number eight is iCoupon, right? iCoupon. And that was a string coupon, but the things that I needed based on my budget, I will look online, see if they had a coupon for that. I will go to their website, see if they have a coupon, so I can save some type of money. And then number nine is that, again, I did a lot of do-it-yourself projects. And so when things broke around the house, when you're a homeowner, you no longer have a maintenance man. So I had to be the maintenance woman. So I had to do a lot of do-it-yourself projects, like just like YouTube. I would come on YouTube, how to unclog my sink, how to stain my floors, how to change out a hot water tank, right? all of that, I had to learn to do all of my maintenance myself. And number 10 is I learned to say no, right? Because I was always that come to the go-to person. I always say yes, yes. Can you help me? Yes. Could you loan me this? Yes, and things like that. And the more that I learned, the more that I learned loan money out, and the more I said yes to people, I did not have savings for myself. So I learned to say no, and the more I said no, I saw my savings account increasing. And so I learned to say no and feel good about it, because I know at a time when I needed money, no one was around to help me. So I learned to say no. And so those are 10 ways how to save money with a one income household. Make sure that you comment down below. Let me see what tips helped you. And so let me know. And so until next video, I will see you, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. Bye.